Question number 4 of November 2018 paper 1 and question number 4. This is arrange the fraction in order starting with the smallest. So as we have done one question before this video and before this lecture, but the question was in fraction and percentage, but these are all number are in fraction, so it is quite easy to make these sort of number when they are all in fraction to convert it into smallest to the highest. So let's try. So 4 upon 5, I write the question again here. 4 upon 5, it is 9 upon 10, it is 7 upon 20, it is 21 upon 25, and it is 41 upon 50. Okay, the highest number is 50, and this 25 can be converted into 50 by multiplying 2, 10 can be made 50 by multiplying by 5, and 5 can become 5 can write as 50 by multiplying 10, but 20 cannot make as 50. So all the number can be converted into 100 easily. So let's try. So if I multiply 2, so it become 100. I also multiply by 2 here, and then 25 multiplied by 4 become 100. So I must have to multiply this 21 with the same number, and 25 is 100. So 7 multiplied by 5 here, and 10 multiplied by 10. So 9 multiplied by 10, 5 multiplied by 20. So it also multiplied by 20. Now through this we can make the denominator same. 4 multiplied by 20 become 80. 400 and 4 to the 8. Divide by 50 to the 100, and then 9 multiplied by 10 is 90. Divided by 10 multiplied by 10, 100, and then 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. Divided by 20 multiplied by 5, 100. 21 multiplied by 4 and 84. Divided by 100. 25 multiplied by 400. 41 multiplied by 2 is 82. Divided by 50 multiplied by 2 is 100. So denominator is same. When the denominator is same, we can compare the numerator so that we can easily classify which number is smaller and which is higher. So 35 is the smallest, so we write here 35 upon 100, and then 35, and then 80 upon 100. So 80 upon 100, and then 82 upon 100. They are quite close to each other, and then 84 upon 100, and finally 90 upon 100. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now 35 comes from 7 upon 20, so it is 7 upon 20. 80 upon 100 comes from 4 upon 5, so it is 4 upon 5. 100 upon 82, 100 upon 82 come from 41 upon 50, so it is 41 upon 50. And then 84 upon 100 comes from 21 upon 25, and finally 90 upon 100 comes from 9 upon 10. Now the smallest is 7 upon 20, and then 4 upon 5, 41 upon 50, 21 upon 25, and finally 9 upon 10. So these numbers are arranged in ascending order as it was required. Now the other question, it is also November 2018 paper 1, and it is question number 1. So it is to be evaluated. So we make here we have to take LCM or make the number same. I am taking LCM. 8 and the 5, both number can be written as they multiply, and 5 multiplied by 1 and plus 8 multiplied by 2. So it is 5 plus 16 upon 40. 8 5 is 40. So finally it is 21 upon 40. So answer is 21 upon 40. Now we have to evaluate the two numbers are multiplying and they are in decimal. So first we remove the decimal. There are a number of methods, but I use the method where we have to remove the decimal. So we write 1 underneath decimal and there are two numbers. So write 20 and this decimal is disappear. Similarly, 1 is underneath the decimal and 20 and decimal disappear. So it becomes 4 upon 100 multiplied by 11 upon 100. So it becomes 44 upon 40, 10,000. Now it can be written as 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and 1 0. So it is quite easy to convert this number into this simplified number. And let's move to the question next. Write 17 whole 1 upon 2% as a fraction in its simplest form. So 17 multiplied 2 multiplied 17 is 34 and 1 35 upon 2. 35 upon 2%. So it means 35 upon 200. Now we have to do some, we can cut this number. 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 20 and 0. So this is all, we cannot do any more cutting. So 7 upon 40. So answer is 7 upon 40. Evaluate 6 plus 4 bracket 1 minus 0 4. So it is 6 plus 4, 1 minus 0 0.04. So 1 minus, we can add 0.04 and in the rough column it is 1.00 minus 0.04. So 1 is there, so it becomes 10, 6, 9, 0. 9 minus 0, 0 and decimal, so 0.96. So 6 plus 4 and it is 0.96. First we solve the bracket and then 6 plus 4 multiplied by 0.96. 4 6 are 24, carry 2 and 9 4s are 36 and 2 38, 8 and 3 is as it is. So it is 3 upon 3.84 and we add 6, so it becomes 9.84. So it is 9.84. Now it is all about this question of paper 1, question number 2 of November 2018. So I will try to solve some more question related to June 2018 and paper 1 question, which will help you understand a number of these sort of question quite easily.